Your next phone might not be foldable, but your next one probably will be. And some of the industry's biggest players are trying to perfect that foldable formula right now. The latest addition to the list is Xiaomi, and wouldn't you know it, the Chinese phone maker has put together one of the most polished prototypes we think we've ever seen. In a video posted by a Xiaomi spokesperson, CEO Bin Lin is seen futzing around on what looks like a tablet with some surprisingly trim bezels. Of course, it doesn't stay a tablet for very long. Unlike other concepts we've seen, Xiaomi's prototype actually has two folding joints. So when it's time to go from tablet mode to phone mode, you fold back the left and right sides of that bigger display to form a device that, while still pretty chunky, should fit into a pocket just fine. Oh, and to top it all off, the video is accompanied by that kind of needlessly cutesy ukulele music you'd probably hear in one of those Instagram recipe videos that just makes everything look a little too easy. Then again, I guess that's actually kind of appropriate. I mean, this just might be the most promising folding phone concept out there, and for what it's worth, it's the one I want to use right now. Xiaomi's approach to the whole foldable phone thing is pretty unique unless you're a fan of Westworld, but you could kind of say the same of nearly every foldable we've seen so far. Remember that prototype that Samsung showed off at its developer conference? It had a flexible screen that folds in half when you close the tablet, and a second screen for use on the outside in phone mode. Royal's FlexPi, which, by the way, is the only one you can actually buy right now, folds in the opposite direction, leaving the entirety of that 8-inch display exposed whether you're using it as a phone or a tablet. Motorola's wild rumored concept looks like it packs a folding screen into the body of a flip phone because, sure, flip phones, why not? And LG, fine, we're not exactly sure what LG is working on, but there's basically no chance LG doesn't jump on this bandwagon. At this point, there is no question. These foldable displays will change what we expect from our smartphones, and we won't have to wait that long to get our first real taste of this technology. Honestly, it kind of feels like we're in those wild and woolly early days of Android again, back when not every smartphone was a black polished slab of glass and metal. After years of relative sameness, smartphones are starting to get weird again, and I'm totally here for it. We'll see you tomorrow with more Engadget Today.